How to transfer crypto from spot wallet to P2P wallet on Binance. Hi everyone, I'm back with a new tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to transfer crypto from spot wallet to P2P wallet on Binance. Now then, to begin with, go to log in into your Binance account and make sure that you have already logged into your Binance. When you're logged in, now first of all, you need to transfer crypto from spot. So for that, you need to go ahead and log in into your wallet section, and then you need to go to spot. As you press on spot, go ahead and select deposit. Once you go to deposit, what next you have to do is you need to go ahead and select funding tab. You have to go ahead and press the transfer button. As you click on the transfer button, you need to go to the fundings tab. So once again, you need to go ahead and select fundings tab. As soon as you do that, enter the coin that you wish to fund and type in the exact amount, all of that, and then you need to go ahead and press the confirm transfer button located right at the bottom, and the transfer has been successful. Now on the other field, what you have to do is exit out of this page. Once again, go to the transfer section, and from here you need to go ahead and select funding one more time, and you need to go to P2P section. So if you're unable to find this P2P section or the options, then what you have to do is you just have to go ahead and open up your P2P section from the page here. You just go to your home page and tap the icon and go to P2P. As you click on P2P, now you could go ahead and transfer the funds, and that's basically how you can transfer crypto from spot wallet to P2P wallet on Binance. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.